Setting up Sourcetree with Bitbucket is straightforward. Here's a step-by-step guide. Install Sourcetree. Download and install Sourcetree from sourcetreeapp.com if you haven't already. Sign into Bitbucket. Open Sourcetree and go to Tools Options. Navigate to the Accounts tab and click Add. Add Bitbucket account. Set the host to Bitbucket and choose the authentication type. OAuth is recommended for better security. For OAuth, click Connect Account. Sourcetree will open a web browser for Bitbucket authentication. Log in and authorize Sourcetree. For basic authentication, enter your Bitbucket username and password or app password. Click OK. Clone a repository. To clone a repository, click Clone in Sourcetree. Enter the Bitbucket repository URL and choose a local directory. Click Clone to start the process. Manage repositories. After cloning, you can use Sourcetree to manage branches, commits, merges, and push or pull changes with Bitbucket.